MAT1033 Final Exam Review Question 81. We have to decide whether the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Remember, parallel, the lines have the same slope. Perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. So if you multiplied the slopes, then you should end up with a product of -1. Alright, so here's what we have. We have line 1. It goes through -25 and -47. In order to find the slope of this line, because we've got to compare the slopes, we would find the difference in the y's, so y2 minus y1 divided by the difference in the x's. Plugging in those values for the slope, I end up with, let's see, 7 minus 5 over -4 minus -20. And this slope would end up as 2 over, now this is -4 minus -20, which is -4 plus 20, which is 16. So the slope of line 1 is 1/8. So we'll put a little 1 there to show that's our line 1. Then we identify the slope of line 2. Again, we're given the 2 points that the line passes through. And -5, 5, 7, 4 are the 2 points that we're going to find slope 2 using the same formula. 4 minus 5 over 7 minus -5 is going to give us -1 over 12. If you compare the two slopes, you'll see that we've got an 1/8 there, -1/12 there. They're neither parallel nor perpendicular, so we would write neither. MAT1033 Final Exam Review Question number 82. We are supposed to determine whether the lines are parallel lines, they have the same slope, or whether they're perpendicular lines. The slopes are opposite reciprocals, which means that when you multiply the two slopes together, you'll get -1. And in this problem, we're given two equations. So we've got line 1 is 12x plus 4y is equal to 16. And line 2 is 6x plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay, so the easiest way when you have an equation that's given is to write this in slope-intercept form. Remember, we're getting y alone, y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to find the slope of each one of these lines by writing each individual equation in the slope-intercept form. So I'm going to isolate y. Y is equal to -12 force x plus 16 over 4. Y is equal to -1. How about -3? -3x plus 4. So the slope of the first line is -3. Okay, that's line 1. Then I'm going to do the same thing with line 2. I'm going to solve for y. 2y is -6x plus 10. And then y is equal to -6 over 2x plus 10 over 2. Y is equal to -3x plus 5, and the slope of the second line is -3. If we compare the two slopes, they're identical, so these lines are parallel.